Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And in today's video, it's going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I know I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in forever. But to be honest, it's because I've been pretty burned out on Dollar Tree and just haven't had any interest in going in. I know that's shocking, but I have been watching everyone else do their hauls and I've really enjoyed seeing what everyone else has been finding. Um, but before I get into the haul, I just wanted to say I hope that you guys all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I had a pretty good one. My daughter, my son in law, and my new grandbaby came down to ring in the new year with us, and it was so exciting, and I loved every second. And I was so sad when they had to go back home. But I know I'll see them again in a few weeks. So, anyway, I guess I'll go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. Now, I will be pulling these out of the bag at random, so nothing is in any particular order. So, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So, the first things that I found are these candlesticks now, or candlestick holders. I have been seeing lots of people haul these, and I was excited to see these in my Dollar Tree, but they are in 3 different sizes. So, you get the small candlestick, the medium sized candlestick, and then the larger one, and these are metal. I'm actually pleasantly surprised that Dollar Tree has something like this. I have been redoing my bedroom and it has been a work in progress. I should have been done by now, but life gets in the way and I just had to put it on the back burner. But I had gone to a flea market and found a couple of brass candlestick holders that were, I guess, vintage. And I paid, I think, $2 each for them, so which wasn't too bad. So anyway, in my bedroom, I am trying to bring in some of the brass or gold type colors or elements. So when I seen these, I thought I could easily just paint these gold if I want to, or I could just leave them black like they are. I like them black also. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed one of each of those. The next thing that I got is this little wall switch light, the LED wall switch light. So my daughter had sent me a pin that she is wanting me to do, or to make this little sort of an activity type board for my grandson for when he gets a little bit older. I think it's just supposed to help with their fine motor skills or whatever. But so I grabbed a light switch to put on it. Now I know there's other things that you can put on it. I'll try and link the pin in my description box if I can. But I did notice on that they did have like a little light switch on it. So if you guys know what I'm talking about and you have any ideas of what I could put on that board for him, let me know down in the comments, because I'm trying to, I don't want to make it exactly like the Pinterest board, something a little bit different, but still have, some things for him to develop his little fine motor skills with. So anyway, I went ahead and just grabbed this one little wall switch. I needed some more of the sandwich bags. So usually I get mine from Walmart, but Walmart's, you get 20 bags, or you can get 20 bags of the Great Value brand. I believe they're just under $3. So at Dollar Tree, they have the Sure Fresh, and they are, I like the ones with the zipper type seal. So you get 17 in here for $1.25, which I think is a better deal than getting the 20 count at Walmart for like, I think it's like $2.50 or something. I'm not 100% sure. But here, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 boxes. You get 17 in each box. So I went ahead and grabbed those. Like I said, this is in no particular order. So this next item that I found are these. These are the, they're Crafter Square, and they're just calling them decor. But I thought these were really cool. Now they did have some that were all black beads, I believe, and some that were all this sort of natural wood color. But I seen these. I thought these were cool. I really liked the black and white buffalo check there. So I did go ahead and grab one of these. Now they did have quite a few like farmhousey type decor. I have been seeing where everyone is hauling or showing pictures in their Dollar Trees of all the little farmhouse stuff, but my Dollar Trees haven't really got all of that kind of stuff in just yet, but they did have, you know, a few things. So I did go ahead and grab one of those. Okay, so the next bag, this is Valentine's, which I'm sure everyone has seen these because Dollar Tree tends to put these out every year. But they are these glittery styrofoam hearts. I don't know if they're like wreaths or just decor or whatever. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the pink and then 2 of the red. I'm going to be doing a Valentine DIY. It's not a wreath, but it's like a wreath. It's a swag to put on your door or hang wherever, you know, you want to. So anyway, I needed some of these, so I went ahead and grabbed those. And I hate glitter, but 'tis the season. So anyway, there's that. And I do believe I only have, after this bag, I only have 2 more bags left. So, I needed some more of the, what are these called? They're spoons, I know, but the disposable plastic type party, spoons. I needed some more of these. I put these in my coffee bar, my cocoa bar. You get 48 in here. And let me just say, if you need plastic forks, spoons, knives, whatever, get them from Dollar Tree, because I was in Walmart and I thought that I would go ahead and just pick them up there, because usually Walmart, well, it used to be pretty close in price when it came to this kind of stuff, but no, not anymore. To get 48 just plastic spoons, which I couldn't even really find just spoons. They had the fork and the knife also in there, but they were like $2.42. So I was like, no, I'm pretty sure I can get those at Dollar Tree for $1.25 for the same amount. So that's what I did. I just waited, went to Dollar Tree, and grabbed a package of those. Let's see. This is also on the Valentine area. I can't talk. But I went ahead and grabbed some of this ribbon. They have this ribbon. I think they seem to have this ribbon almost every year, but it is the just the red background with the pink and white hearts on it. This is the 2.5-inch wide wired ribbon. I did grab 2 rolls of that. They had quite a few ribbon to choose from, but it was all the same as they've had in the last couple of years. I kind of wish they would bring out something a little bit different. Okay, so I am going to be making a St. Patrick's Day or just an Irish type wreath. So I was looking for some of the shamrock greenery, which my Dollar Trees have not gotten in yet, but and they really didn't have much as far as St. Patrick's Day went, but maybe they'll be getting some more stuff out soon. But this is the pack of 30 coins, the little gold coins. So I grabbed 1 package of these, and this is probably going to be used in that wreath that I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I looked for these last year, and my Dollar Trees did not have them. They sold out of them super fast. So I was happy to find these, and I did grab, I think I grabbed 1 of each, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll get to them in another bag. But it's the conversation hearts, the wood conversation hearts. I think these are so cute, and I have to say, Valentine's Day is not my favorite holiday. I really could care less, and I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day, but I thought these were super cute, so I went ahead and grabbed them. So this one is the pink one, and it says love. And these are, pretty, thick piece of wood, pretty sturdy. So I grabbed that one. This one says be mine, and it's that green color. So there are all kinds of things that you can do with these. If you don't want to set these up just as decor around your house or whatever, you can put these in a tiered tray. I don't know. There's just all kinds of things that you can do with these. So I was excited to find those. And I know I have a couple more down in one of these bags somewhere. So let's see. Okay. I am also thinking about doing another sort of Valentine type DIY, and it's with doilies. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each of these heart doilies, and I just grabbed one package of the pink, the white, and the red. You do get 30 doilies in here. I have sort of an idea of something to do with these, so I went ahead and just grabbed one of each color of those. They really didn't have a whole lot of Valentine signs out. They did have a few, but a lot of them looked to me like what they had last year. But these did look new to me for this year. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each of these, which I think these are pretty. I think this one right here, though, has got to be my favorite because I just love that faux wood background. I think that's so pretty. And it does say, "Be mine." And then this one says, "Happy Valentine's Day." And it also has sort of that faux wood background to it. So I thought that was really pretty. And I will be making a Valentine wreath. So I figured I might use one of these for that wreath. So I did go ahead and grab one of each of those. Okay, and the last bag, I think, yes, the last bag. Okay, so I am needing a planner, and I looked at Walmart for a planner, like a monthly planner, and they are super expensive, at least in my opinion. It's too expensive for what I'm going to be using it for, but I knew Dollar Tree had some, so I went ahead and grabbed one of the monthly planners from Dollar Tree. So this is the monthly planner for 2023. And honestly, when I got to looking through here, a lot of these, I mean, the inside looks like something you could buy from Walmart. It's just, you know, it's more plain Jane, not as fancy or whatever, but Dollar Tree does carry planners that do look a little more decorative, you know, but I just wanted a plain one, so that is what I got. You guys, I think I'm gonna have to get me a new phone. So I film my videos on my cell phone, which I would really love to have a camera, and during Black Friday I did find a camera that I really liked, but I just couldn't bring myself, even for the price that it was, to pay what they were asking. So maybe sometime this year I might invest in an actual camera, not use my cell phone, but we'll have to see. So anyway, the reason why I said that is because my phone just alerted me and let me know that I have no memory left, basically. So there's that. So anyway, I did find a couple more ribbon, and they had this also the last couple of years. So it's the red ribbon with the white hearts, and it is also the 2.5 inch wide wired ribbon. So I grabbed 2 rolls of that. Okay, so here are the last 2 conversation hearts that I found. So I'm not sure if there's any others in this line or if these 4 is what they have. But I thought this one was pretty. It says Cutie Pie, and I love that sort of turquoise blue-green color. I think it's really, really pretty. And then this one just says XOXO, and it's in this light sort of lilac color. So I thought that was really pretty. So these are the 4 that I found. So I don't know if they have any others. or not. So if they do, let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to keep my eye out for them the next time I'm at the Dollar Tree. I did find this, which I think is really cute, and they only had 2 of these left. They had a red one and a white one. I just went ahead and grabbed the white one, but it says "Love Lives Here," and it's one of these wood shaped pieces that is shaped like a barn. So I thought that was really cool. I'm not too sure about the saying here. I may redo this, but anyway, I thought this was really, really cute. So I went ahead and grabbed this one. They did have a red one, and I can't remember what it said, but I just liked the white one. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And then the last 3 little things here. When I can't remember who I first saw haul these. I can't remember who it was. But as soon as I seen them, I about died. So I'm like, oh, those are so cute. So I'm like, I have to find those. And I did. So it is these mini flower pots in the natural wood color. You get 3 in here. These are so cute. I am not 100% sure what I'm going to do with these just yet, but I had to get them. I was thinking maybe I might use these in a wreath for maybe spring or summer time as little embellishments, but I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with them, but I thought they were super duper cute, so I did go ahead and grab 3 of these. You get 3 little flower pots in there. It looks like you get 1 larger one and then 2 sort of smaller ones. So anyway, I thought those were super, super cute. So that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!